How to adjust the BPM in Soundation. First of all, open your project in Soundation and look at the top of your workspace for the tempo section. You will see the current BPM, which is set to a default value, usually around 125. Now, to adjust the BPM, click on the number displayed in the tempo section. This will allow you to manually enter a new value. You can increase or decrease the BPM based on the feel of your track. If you want more control over your BPM changes, you can click this small arrow next to the BPM number. This will give you a slider that you can drag to fine-tune the tempo. You can also make adjustment in increments, giving you a more gradual shift. Keep in mind that changing the BPM can affect the way your tracks sound. For example, increasing the BPM will speed up your track, while lowering it will slow it down. It's important to make sure the changes fit the style and energy you want in your music. Finally, once you have set your desired BPM, listen to the track to ensure it sounds the way you want. If necessary, adjust the tempo again. And that's it. Now you know how to adjust the BPM in Soundation. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.